do so, or I would plus verb. And this form structure is made by the pronoun conjugated in past tense plus na plus verb. So we can say I na plus verb, it means I would. Ak na plus verb, you would. Are na plus verb, you would. For feminine, af na plus verb, he would. As na plus verb, she would. An na plus verb, we would. Arite na, you would. Av na, they would. Or we can add ari plus noun plus na plus verb, and we negate it with n plus subject plus verb plus an. An example of this tense we read in Matthew 11:16. Aina tenson taigenia ze enim is oni in han alowi evhem sihini agora nai smoti ove no erio. Matthew 11:16 says in English, but what shall I compare, or but what would I compare this generation? It is like a little children sitting in the markets and calling to their mates. Aina means I would. Ten son resemble. Tai this genia generation. They then a to nim who is it. Oni like in indication of a complement. Han indefinite article plural. Alowi children. Ev they. Him see sitting. He in. Ni the agora market. Nai those is who. Moti call. Ove to no their irio mates or friends. Another example of it is Psalm 139 and verse 6. Ein hashin is on volcha it he in big pneuma. O aina food is on volha biko. Shob aishan shin et fe. So ke mab. Shob aishan shin echri amenti ke mon. Ke mav on. In English, the translation, where shall I go from your spirit, or where would I go from your spirit, or where shall I flee from your face, or where would I flee from your face? If I go to heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in Sheol, behold, you are there. In the translation of it, Aina, I would. Shin go, it means me. It's a reflexive pronoun for the verb shin. A to, son where, evol away, haiti in front of, m of, beg your, pneuma spirit. O and aina would I, or I would, fought, escape. A to, son where, evil ha from, beg your whole face. A shop if I shan if shin go. E reflexive pronouns are returning to the subject I. A to it the fe sky in so q k also emav there. A shop if I shan if shin go. E reflexive pronoun means I or me. A to اخري down. A to amenti Sheol, the place of the dead. K also emav there on also. You can find today's lecture in the CSC channel YouTube, and you can find it on archive.org/details/Coptic educational channel. and you can find this in archive.org/details/Coptic educational channel. You can find also the fonts used in the presentation, and you can download also materials for the same materials from archive.org/details/Coptic language. وشي بهموت thanks. شاتنا بروتين كلين بوشي سنيو. Until seeing you in next lesson.